What is up, my love? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting video because we are going to be trying on a whole bunch of new products. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned, keep on watching. So no, this is not my real hair. This is actually a wig that I chopped off. My best friend gave it to me and I was like, ooh, we about to have some new hair, honey. This is it. I had these past week have been super busy and I have not been able to choose a winner, so we are going to announce it here. Anyways, let's go ahead and share the winner for our last giveaway. Ta-da! Congratulations to our winner. Thank you so much for participating, everyone as well. I will be doing more giveaways in the future, you guys, but thank you so much for participating. I truly appreciate you guys' support. And without further ado, babes, let's get into this video. All right, you guys, so the first thing I want to start with is this Cosmetics mimosa palette, and it's super cute. I love the packaging. This comes with 16 different eyeshadow colors. Let me go ahead and show you guys. It has a beautiful nice mirror. This definitely reminds me of the whole color theme of like margaritas for some reason. That's why it's called mimosa. I was on an Instagram live and a lot of you guys wanted me to do some peachy looks. So I was just like, you know what? Let's go ahead and go in with a peach tone, especially now that we are in the summer. You guys, so far, the eyeshadow, it's very pigmented. I'm going in with the shade Vibes right here. It's really pretty. In person, it looks a little bit more of like peach, rosy kind of color. I don't even know how to describe this color, but it's gorgeous. It's blending in really nice, and the pigmentation is also really pretty. So there is that. I'm just basically applying this eyeshadow on all over the eyelid, blowing it out, and I'm using a Jessa blending brush. These brushes are from Amazon. You can find them on Amazon, you can find them on eBay for like $17. They come in a pack. I will be doing a brush video just because we definitely need new brushes, so I will be giving you guys some options in case you do not no longer want to support the brand. If you don't know what's going on, I am not going to be discussing that here because I'm not about that life. I don't know much about it. I just know a lot of people are canceling them. So okay, and I'm here to give you options, honey. Like, look how pretty that is, sis. That blended in so freaking well, period. I'm also taking that white shade on the palette that is called Chill, and I'm going around the edges of this look just to kind of make sure everything is nicely blended, and it gives like a very pretty gradient effect as well. And I'm using actually a Morphe brush right now. This is with Jaclyn Hill, and I'm just going around it to kind of diffuse that pink a little bit more. And you guys, these shades are blending in so freaking pretty, sis. I love it. And to darken up the look, I'm gonna go ahead and take pomegranate. Can I say that word? But you guys know what I'm talking about. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start applying that right on the outer corner, just right here. I'm bringing that into the crease, and this is just gonna create a little bit of more depth onto this look. Already you can see that the pigmentation is pretty nice. I start slowly and I like to pack on color instead of applying it all at once. It just makes it so much easier to blend. Ooh, I haven't done a color like this in a very long time, so I'm super happy how this is turning out. So I'm also going to go ahead and take the same brush and kind of start blending that outwards. You can already see the form that I'm taking, like so, and you can always go back with that previous shade to blend out those edges, but I'm just going to go ahead and slightly just start blending that outwards. As you can see, I'm applying it right on the outer corners right here and then sending it outwards. So far, everything is blending really nice. I'm going to go back to the first shade we started with, a Vibes, and blend that edge of this look to have a more diffused, toned down look. Ooh, that is pretty. That is pretty. Yes, we love her. And now, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and grab some of the pretty shimmers on the palette. I'm thinking of this one. This one is super gorgeous and has more like a beautiful reflex, as you can see. It's just so stunning. And we also have this one right here, which has more of a peachy tone despite looking a little bit more pink on the screen. I'm thinking I'm gonna start with this one. Let's see, it's called Pop here all over. Oh, that's so pretty, you guys. This shade is gorgeous. That's so pretty. Just applying it with my fingers. because I don't know, shimmer always looks so much better when you apply with your fingers, so I just stick to fingers because honey. And I'm grabbing a brush just to see how well it picks it up, and I'm just applying that all over the eyelid like so. And you guys, I'm also going to be taking this gold champagne color right here, shade actually, to add to the inner corners just to brighten that up a little bit more. Ooh, they picked up really well, you guys, with brushes. This is some of the first shimmers that look so good when you pick up brushes. I think I just been using too much Urban Decay. They don't pick up at all. I'm sorry, but they're so expensive to not do the job, honey, okay? Anyways, I'm gonna be doing a little bit on my brow bone as well. And my loves, I'm gonna do the same steps on the lower lashes, starting with that shade that is called Pana Gray, or yo, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that because it's just not working. I'm gonna apply that very close to the lash line. I'm gonna connect that from the outer to the inner corners, and then I'm gonna diffuse that color with the first shade that we started with, which is called Vibes. Fuse that color, kind of blow it out a bit. I'm using the shade Vibes, and I like to really drag this down a bit. And now I'm gonna use the white to again just diffuse everything together. I'm using the new Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Eyeliner. I absolutely love this eyeliner. I love the felt tip. It's very precise, very thin. I'm able to get into my tear ducts. I love those inner kind of wings, and this helps just create that perfectly without any problem. I really like it. If you're looking for a bomb eyeliner like this one, this is it. Maybelline got you, girl. Anyways, I think we're gonna go on now to the face. Oh wait, let's put some eyelashes. There's no new lashes for today, but I do love me some Tatalashes. They are Latina owned. The lashes are really nice, you guys. They might be a little bit expensive, but they truly do last you a bit. As long as you take care of lashes, obviously they're gonna last you even longer. I just really like the quality of these lashes. And this style, it's one of my favorite currently, especially for softer looks. This is the style Bambi. And if you're looking for dramatic lashes, this is where it's at. She also does carry softer kind of lashes. These are more dramatic that I like to use, especially for my Instagram pictures. I think they look the best, but if you're somebody that's not used to lashes, I would not recommend these because they are pretty thick, long. It might be too much for someone that doesn't really wear lashes. For me, I love these. I'm also gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of this gel liner by Colourpop. This is another product that I absolutely love, which are from their latest collection. I really like their eyeliners, you guys. They are some of the most creamiest eyeliner that I have tried. They don't dry out and they don't hurt your eye when you apply it. I think I should do black, honestly. So I'm gonna do black eyeliner instead, you guys. And now we're gonna move on to the face. I do have a new foundation which we're going to be using. It is the new Hello Happy Air Stick Foundation by Benefit. I have not tried, so let's see how that goes. I'm using shade number 6 because I think it's the one that looks closer to, ooh, this might be a little bit dark. Could have sworn this was gonna be my color, but it's not. Let's go in with shade number 5. Hopefully this one works a little bit better. The shade range is, oh yeah, this one is definitely my color. I'm not sure, the undertone on this is a little bit off. I'm not a big fan of, you guys, of stick foundations. They just don't work as well for me. I usually tend to step away from these kind of foundations. I just don't like how they apply on my skin. And this one, it's very limited with their color selection. This is really yellow. You guys, I'm not even gonna lie, it actually looks really nice. It doesn't look that bad. And I feel like in person, it looks even better. The color is definitely a little bit off, but overall, it looks really pretty. It doesn't look bad. But that color range, it just like, no sis, no. The only concealer, latest concealer that I have is the Fit Me concealer. And this is actually not new. This has been in the market for a very long time. And it's one of my favorite concealer too. So I'm just gonna use it because I just got it new. And I'm also gonna use the same concealer to contour, to bronze up the face. One of the reasons why I love these concealers, you guys, is just because they blend in so freaking easy. They just work so well in majority of skin, and it looks so freaking good. I could definitely use a darker shade right now because we are in the summer and I tend to get a little bit darker, and this foundation did not help whatsoever. But overall, you guys, it's a great, nice concealer. It just has a flawless finish. It's a great concealer. And you guys, we also have a new BH Cosmetics Belgian Waffle. This is a 6-color baked bronzer and highlight palette. So we have the bronzing shades and we have highlighter shades. I'm wondering if I could use this shade to kind of like set underneath the eyes. It looks actually pretty good, you guys, and I think it will go with my skin tone, so let's try that. I think I'm gonna use a brush for this. I should be using a sponge because honey, but I don't want that much powder. Let's just go ahead and set. I don't know about you guys, but I really hate just putting on makeup in the summer. It just feels so freaking heavy. Like no matter what I put on my face, I just don't like it. You start sweating, it's humid, it's too hot. It just is like, nah. The summertime, give your skin a break, sis. Give your skin a break. Put all that SPF that you actually really need. All you need in the summer, SPF and skincare. And I'm also gonna go in with cinnamon right here. And by the way, you guys, this is part of their new Weekend Vibe collection. It's super pretty. Definitely a theme of like ladies night out kind of vibe. You guys, I really like the powders as well. They look so nice. Like they look cute. I feel like I'm already sweating my makeup off, but we are almost done, you guys. Let's go ahead and put some mascara on. We kind of like set the whole face. I'm also gonna go in with one of the latest Anastasia Beverly Hills setting spray. These are the minis, and this is in mango scented. Okay, this is mango scented, and this is supposed to leave a dewy finish. They're super cute, you guys. Like this, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray a little bit on the face. Let's see. Ooh, I actually like this spray better than the bigger thingy. We have some of the new lipsticks from LA Girl. These are their Mousse Velvet Lip Colors. And we also have, they have a lot, you guys. Like they come out with so many different colors. I don't know what shade to go for. Yeah, all the other colors just like too weirdly pink. And then we also have some new Revlon lipsticks as well. But these are the color. I think I'm gonna go for this one just to try it out and see how it will look. This color is so pretty, oh my god. Ooh, that's exactly like my lip color, but it doesn't go with this look. It's too purpley toned. Let's go ahead and see if I can line my lips and make it work. But I'm gonna be honest, absolutely love this lip combo, but it doesn't go with this look. And by the way, this is the shade Untold Stories, again by Revlon. It is super pretty shade, but not for us. Let's try this LA Girl lip mousse, you guys, to see how it will look. You guys, I'm still not convinced with this color. It looks too pink for this look. You guys, I actually did not like any of the lipsticks, so I went in with the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss in the shade Peach Tea. Overline my lips heavily with this MAC Spice Lip Pencil. I love this combo. It's super cute. And that is our final look. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this, just trying out new products. But yeah, my love, if you want to see more tutorials from me, make sure you guys check that playlist that I have right here for you. But without further ado, babes, I'll see you on my next one. Take care.